Hello YouTube, Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a media streaming not working issues in Windows. So if you are facing this problem on this video, we are going to show you 3 solutions. So this solution will work for all Windows operating system. Stay tuned until the end of the video. So for this video, the first solution will be a basic solution. If you are facing this media streaming issue, the first thing that you should have to do is the basic solution, which is restart your computer. So restart and check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem still continues, then the second solution will be clear the media player cache. So in order to do that, again go here on the bottom and click here the search icon and type here run. So after you find the run app, just open it. Then after that, just copy this one, which is a direction to the Microsoft Store or the Microsoft file on your operating system. Then paste here, which is under the run box. Then after that, click here OK, and here the Microsoft section on your Windows operating system driver will be open. Then find for media player. Here I found the media player, so right click on it and select rename, then underscore, make sure you make it old, this one. So it will be the old media player, so it will be removed. Then when you try to open your media player, it will start saving by creating a new media player folder. So this will help you to solve the problem related with media streaming not working issue. If the second solution would not help you to solve your problem, then the third solution will be enabling services under the service section. So in order to do that, go here at the bottom, click the search icon and open services. So after you find services, then click on it and it will open. Then find for Window Media Player network sharing service. So Window Media Player will be on the bottom, which is W section, which is Window Media Player. I think over here, yes, let's make it more visible here, the Window Media Player network sharing service. So after you find it, right click on it and select here properties. Then after that, go here under the startup type, click here the arrow, then select automatic and select here start. It's going to start, then select here apply and click here OK. So here it's running and it's automatic, which is the Window Media Player network sharing service. Then after that, close the service section and restart your computer. So these are the solutions to solve the media streaming not working issue on your computer. And if today's video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chastek out.